In time, you kind of, it's like psychologist pyramid where you have to satisfy your basic needs, right? And once you're eating and you've got food and shelter, it goes to the next level, next level. Obviously, you hit love on top. For me in business, it's kind of been the same way. You kind of got to get into the game, right? And you got to survive. And every 2 weeks, you're thinking about payroll and can I make payroll? And and dates would haunt you because those were payroll dates, right? No matter where you saw them. But as time goes on, and 13 years later now, honestly, the real drive is the cream of what we do, or the thing I get the most joy out of, to be honest, is to have an idea that literally makes something easier for somebody, that we then create the idea, and the first time someone uses it, they say, man, makes my life easier, or this is so needed, right? That euphoria, that feeling of going from idea to creation to usage is so massive.